Home defense handguns are a crucial component of personal security, offering a practical means of protection in urgent situations. These firearms are selected for their reliability, ease of use, and effectiveness in close-quarter scenarios, typically found in domestic settings. Ideal home defense handguns balance stopping power with manageable recoil, and often feature user-friendly designs that accommodate shooters of various skill levels. They come in various sizes, calibers, and styles, from revolvers to semi-automatic pistols, each with unique characteristics suited to home defense. The choice of a home defense handgun is a significant decision, reflecting the need for a dependable, accessible, and efficient means of safeguarding one's home and loved ones. So in order to help with the decision of selecting what is best for you, we have compiled a list of 7 best home defense handguns that includes all the features important for you to know. You can also find a more detailed analysis and comparison tool on our website, validsurvival.com. Number 7. Beretta M9A4. The Beretta M9A4 stands as the apex of the Beretta M9 series, tailored to meet the rigorous demands of tactical shooters. This advanced model marries the classic M9 design with contemporary features, including a slide compatible with red dot optics and dovetailed tritium night sights for enhanced visibility. It boasts an improved extreme trigger system with a short reset, an 18-round magazine, and a Vertec frame with textured thin grips, ensuring a comfortable fit for various hand sizes. Tactical adaptability is a key aspect of the M9A4, making it suitable for diverse scenarios like home defense, tactical competitions, and duty use in any environment. The pistol features a removable front sight, catering to specific shooter preferences, and a 3-slot Picatinny rail for easy attachment of tactical lights, lasers, and other accessories. The M9A4 is red dot ready, with integral slide cuts for mounting different optic plates, available separately to fit popular optic models. Versatile and reliable, the Beretta M9A4 epitomizes Beretta's long-standing expertise in firearm manufacturing, offering top-tier performance for duty, personal defense, concealed carry, and range use. Number 6. FN509 Tactical. The FN509 is a polymer-framed, striker-fired semi-automatic pistol chambered in 9x19mm Parabellum, designed for double-action operation with a forward Picatinny rail. The FN509 Tactical variant builds upon this, featuring a low-profile optics mounting system compatible with over 10 miniature red dot optics, co-witnessing with suppressor height night sights. This system accommodates future optics without requiring slide milling. Key features include a 4.5-inch cold hammer forged stainless steel barrel with a target crown and 0.5 by 28 threads compatible with most 9mm suppressors. The barrel is complemented by a thread cap with an integrated O-ring to ensure stability. The FN509 Tactical boasts 24-round magazines, balancing high capacity with ease of carry. Finished in flat, dark earth, the FN509 offers enhanced grip texturing for improved handling. The grip is customizable with 2 interchangeable back straps. The trigger mechanism is a smooth, short DAO with a positive reset, and the pistol incorporates 4 passive safety systems: striker block, drop safety, trigger disconnect, and a trigger safety lever. Both the magazine release and slide lock are ambidextrously designed, enhancing usability. Number 5. H&K VP9L. The Heckler & Koch VP9L, a polymer-framed semi-automatic striker-fired handgun, is widely recognized for its effectiveness in home defense. It features an extended slide with lightning cuts and a 5-inch barrel with an O-ring bushing, enhancing lockup consistency and accuracy. A standout aspect of the VP9L is its customizable grip. The pistol comes with 3 sets of back straps and palm swells, offering 27 different grip configurations for personalized ergonomics. The VP9L is designed to accommodate optics, featuring a machined cut on the slide with a cover plate, although mounting plates for red dot sights are sold separately. This model also includes an extended 20-round magazine. The factory-installed luminous 3-dot sight ensures quick target acquisition, especially in dim lighting. The removable top plate on the slide allows for easy attachment of pistol-mounted optics, enhancing its versatility. The VP9L is a highly regarded choice for home defense, offering a perfect blend of accuracy and reliability. It ensures preparedness and confidence in home defense scenarios, making it a trusted companion for safety and protection. Number 4. Beretta 92FS. The Beretta 92FS, a full-size all-metal semi-automatic pistol, is predominantly chambered for the 9x19mm cartridge. While Beretta offers the 92FS in various calibers, the 9mm version stands out as the most popular and reliable. The standard magazine carries 15 rounds, with options available for up to 30 rounds. The pistol measures 8.5 inches in length and features a 4.9-inch barrel, weighing 34.2 ounces when empty. The design of the Beretta 92FS is striking and unique, setting it apart from most other handguns. Its distinctive slide with an exposed barrel is a hallmark of Beretta, contributing to the pistol's iconic appearance. Among its features, the 92FS includes a slide-mounted safety with a decocker and a slightly squared trigger guard. It is available in various finishes, including two-tone inox and all stainless models. Ergonomically, the 92FS is very comfortable to hold, with a small beaver tail at the rear of the grip that prevents the hammer from striking the hand while enhancing control. The Beretta 92FS is a straightforward, reliable choice for personal defense, known for its superior reliability and distinct aesthetics. Number 3. Glock 19 Gen 5. The Glock 19 is globally recognized as a top choice for reliable firearms. Known for pioneering the polymer-frame striker-fired pistol design, Glock remains a dominant player in the firearms industry, with the G19 as one of its most reputable models. This compact 9mm pistol is highly regarded for its simplicity, ease of concealment, and straightforward functionality, earning it a reputation as a highly reliable firearm. The latest, 5th generation of the Glock 19 exemplifies versatility in a mid-size, single-action striker-fired format. It includes a reversible magazine release, a feature consistent across Glock generations, along with 4 removable back straps. These customizable back straps enhance grip comfort and control, catering to various user preferences. The Glock 19 is celebrated for its dependability, making it a perfect firearm for both beginners and experienced shooters. Its versatility is not limited to personal defense. It's also well-suited for home security and target shooting, demonstrating its wide-ranging applicability. Number 2. CZ75 SP01. The CZ75 SP01 represents a significant advancement in CZ's full-size handguns, showcasing enhanced manufacturing technology and ergonomics. This model is distinguished by its 1913 accessory rail, rubber grip panels, and durable black polycoat finish. Designed with an extended beaver tail for hand protection and a secure grip, the SP01 also features improved grip geometry and strategic checkering on the front and back straps. These modifications substantially reduce perceived recoil and facilitate quicker target engagement. The SP01 includes a 4-inch cold hammer forged barrel and standard magazines with a capacity of 17 to 19 rounds. Its frame-mounted rail allows for a range of customizations, while the front and rear slide serrations enhance control over the slide. The black rubber grips, contoured for comfort, uphold the CZ75's ergonomic excellence. Merging double-action, single-action operation, steel construction, and a high magazine capacity, the CZ75 SP01 masterfully combines traditional and modern elements, making it a versatile option for various shooting disciplines. Number 1. Zev Tech Oz9. Zev Technologies' Oz9 pistol line epitomizes the blend of design, fit, and performance in handgun selection. Known for innovative and practical designs, Zev's Oz9, chambered in 9x19mm parabellum, is packed with features enhancing user-friendliness, comfort, and accuracy. The slide, with its angled serrations, facilitates easy racking and includes optics-ready capabilities, a lowered ejection port for smooth cartridge ejection, and Zev tritium night sights for low-light visibility. The Oz9 compact semi-auto pistol, a more concealable version of the standard Oz9, retains all the key features while offering better balance and control. Its PVD-coated steel receiver extends throughout the pistol, integrating the locking block and extending rails, improving durability and recoil smoothness. This receiver design also incorporates debris-clearing channels and lubrication reservoirs. The flat-face trigger within this steel frame enhances shooting precision, and grip upgrades are simplified. The OZ9 Compact's exclusive slide is engineered for reduced weight, minimizing vibration and recoil, while the threaded match-grade barrel ensures consistent accuracy. Its fiber optic sights aid in rapid target acquisition, rounding out a pistol designed for rigidity, smooth recoil, and reliable performance. Home defense handguns are essential tools for ensuring personal safety and security within one's residence. Their selection should be guided by considerations of reliability, ease of handling, and effectiveness in a home environment. Choosing the right handgun is a balance of personal comfort, situational needs, and responsible ownership, ultimately providing peace of mind and protection in times of need. However, getting the best home defense handguns is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.